Hey, Miss Heather Jackson.
Who's this?
Miss Heather Jackson. I'll explain everything at the end. Keep going.
Like the person they were.
I know. I'll change that later.
You've built your company from the ground up and you're fiercely proud of your accomplishments. However, you've had notice of a lawsuit on the horizon, which threatens to topple everything you've worked so hard for. You're desperately trying to settle out of court, but the details of the case were made public. It would be a PR disaster, and you're not sure your company could recover from it. So she could be sued for basically her company.
All right. If she does what? Sue from a company if she does what?
I don't know.
You read it. You didn't understand it even though you read it? You can do better.
You're desperately trying to settle out of court, but the details of the case were made up.
So she has been sued. See?
Okay, I don't.
So she's working to settle out of court because it could be damaging.
Well, I don't know what that means. So
settle out of court means if someone decides they're going to sue you, they can threaten to sue, and you can settle before it makes it to court. Because once it makes it to court, then it will be public, and then everyone will know. Okay. But if you kind of slide them a little bit of money, make that problem go away.
Now for my favorite person.